Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Shada Akhtar Rabbani, and this is an extension from my podcast, and it is my first video story on YouTube.
It's an honor for me to have you here.
It's an honor to be here, Shadab.
Yeah, so let's start with the first thing. So, what motivates you each day to get up and do the things you do every day?
See, what basically motivates me is that I think the basic motivation for everyone is that life is too short, and we have to find some way to live it. Either we have to, the hours in the day are going to go on, so we can either mope about it and just drag ourselves through lives, or just get up and push ourselves to be better. What inspires me is that the life is like a pendulum. So if there are bad times, there it will definitely be followed by good times. So it's the thought of being in those good times and being with the ones you love and being with the ones I can actually party with is the thing that keeps me going actually.
Right. So, you must be having idols in life or people who inspire you. Do you have any? If you do, then please talk about them and how do they inspire you?
I know I shouldn't say this, but even before my people who have inspired me, for a person who knows me, he should not be knowing this answer. The person who inspired me was the late Chester Bennington, who was the lead singer of the band Linkin Park. It's like his songs inspire you in a way that nobody can, He speaks to you through his music. He has helped so many people find their purpose in life. He has helped so many people grieve. He has helped so many people vent their emotions and all that. It's like I don't know how to express it in a way that a normal person can understand, but he has given me, what do you say, a way out of any situation and any life. He is my main motivator, and he will always be my main motivator. And mom and dad, I'm sorry. And second comes my mom. Mom is a word that is in everyone's dictionary. She has been the backbone of my life ever since I was born. Like, she has been providing for me throughout her life, and she has been loving me unconditionally, like as any mother would love a child. But this is on another level. If there is a level up to which a mother should love her son, my mom has been going above and beyond throughout her whole life. And next, my knight in shining armor, my dad. Who else? He has been providing everything to me on a silver platter, non-stop. If I'm living the high and good life today, it's because of my dad, and he enabled me to enjoy the finer things in life, whilst teaching me about the proper moral values, about how to navigate through this commercial world. And when my father wasn't up to it, my mom would take over. So it was like they went hand in hand. So motivation. So these are my three main sources of motivation, and motivation can come to you in any form. It can hit you in any way you see every day. So I get inspired by seeing people, by seeing things, hearing music, seeing articles. It's endless. Like, you just have to find it within you to pull yourself out and keep moving on.
Right. So a lot of us these days we're struggling in life and we don't have a purpose. So any word you would like to tell them or some advice? I'm not talking about advice because we're nobody to give advice, but some inspiring words that can motivate people and make them keep fighting their battles each day and keep going.
The only thing that keeps me going in life is that one day I will get to do what I want. So whatever you want to do, you want to write, just keep writing. Even if it's bad, keep writing. Just Tear out the first draft, keep writing, keep writing, keep writing. If you like to sing, keep singing. You may not be a gifted singer, but if you keep practice, you will become a great singer. There is a difference between being a talented singer and being a great singer. Talented singers are born with the talent. Great singers are made one practice at a time. So whatever your passion is, find it, follow it, keep following it. Even when life seems bleak, don't give it up. Just keep following it. Your big break is around the corner.
Thanks for watching it, and do subscribe to the channel for more.